What's going on, YouTube? Rayco back again. We are definitely in Cincinnati right now. As you can see, the Kenwood Town Center right here. You know what I'm saying? We about to explore Cincinnati. This is my first time in the city, actually. You know, I drove past the city a lot just to get to the south. You know, driving to Georgia, but this time I'm planted in the city of Cincinnati. We're gonna see what it got to offer.
Yeah, man, you know what time it is. We in the natty. When you in the natty, semi-automatic. You gotta be, hey, you gotta be careful in Cincinnati. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Cat Williams and High Tech, man.
Oh. All right, let me start my Ohio shout out or Cincinnati shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out to Cat Williams from Cincinnati. Shout out to what's your boy, the comedian?
Gary Owens.
Not
Gary Owens.
Is it Gary?
No, wait. Gary Owens. It is, I think.
It's Gary Owens.
Yeah. If anybody in the comment correct me.
Shout out to Gary Owens. Who else is it? Gary Owens, Cat Williams, High Tech.
High Tech.
Yeah. That's a real hip hop. That's a real hip hop joint.
Adrian Brunner.
Oh yeah, Adrian Brunner.
Adrian Brunner.
Look at you, man. Look at you.
Shout out to all the Ohio natives, man.
Okay.
Or shout out to the Midwest in general.
So we're gonna walk around Kenwood, see what we can get into. I think I'm gonna have to buy a gift for my niece, maybe. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh yeah, you said anime gift.
The robocalls, that's what they call robocalls.
What are you calling me for?
This reminds me of Polaris in Columbus, like mixed with Easton. Hold on, no. It reminds me of like Polaris more.
Polaris and all that shit. But shout out to Columbus again.
Don't make the Cincinnati people mad, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't make them mad, you know? All right, Ray-Bans, man. I gotta have you come try some Ray-Bans. I want to go here, but I feel like every time I go somewhere, they're gonna be like, yo, you got a camera? This Sephora right here. Let me tell y'all something about this Sephora. If it's the same Sephora, it's been a while. This Sephora right here, I used to come with somebody back in the day. I'm not gonna say who it was, but I used to come with somebody back in the day, and it's literally the same Sephora that we came to years ago. What is that store right there? Yeah, this is like something my niece would. I don't know, my niece, I don't know, she might. I have no idea what these squishables is. This is your favorite thing, right? Squishables?
Hell no.
Yeah, but you know, it's funny because I feel like I know these things. I know those things. This one right here, I feel like I know these guys.
Yeah.
I just don't know where I know them from. This is the Plague Doctor. Okay, so the Plague Doctor, if I'm correct, was a guy in Europe, like one of the European countries, kingdoms, and he was the Plague Doctor. And this is very murky history for me, but I heard about him. But the Plague Doctor was like the guy that tried to heal people when the plague was coming. He was called a Plague Doctor. And what he has is he actually has like a mask on with a long nose. And yeah, that's the Plague Doctor, but I mean, the cartoon. Did you know about the Plague Doctor?
No, I do. I know about the play. See, bro, I don't be like, I don't know. For some reason, I be knowing a lot of this shit, man.
Hey, man, you gotta know history, man.
All right, so the Plague Doctor literally is actually from the European Dark Ages.
That's what I was just explaining to you.
Yeah. So the reason why the beak is there is because they would stuff it full of flowers and herbs, thinking that's going to chase away the demon spirits that have been killing everybody. In all actuality, they created their PPE, accidentally fell into place. They were covered in leather head to toe, masks over their faces, rubber gloves, leather gloves, so they didn't touch and they didn't spread. So they were protected because they accidentally fell into PPE.
Ooh. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
So, but they've shown up in other animes. I just don't know where. This is our brand, and we've been running with it. The really neat thing about these guys is any of the plague doctors or nurses that carry lanterns, if you actually charge up the lanterns with sunlight or a flashlight, glows in the dark.
Glows in the dark. Okay. I know I've seen this guy somewhere, but I just can't remember. It was some anime or it was some cosplay or something like that.
Oh, cosplay all day, every day. You got to see it every year. People get really extreme. If you go to the Comic-Con, you'll see them.
What up, yeah?
How y'all doing?
What up?
Chilling. I'm a YouTuber, so I just, before y'all see the camera, we from Columbus.
Oh, okay. What you doing on your channel?
We gotta do like travel, culture.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. When's the last time you were fitted, man?
Bro, like New York, bro.
Well, yeah, you can't wear a New York fitted. You gotta wear a Cincinnati fitted. Like that's your problem right there. Yeah, I always wear the fitteds.
Fitteds.
Yeah.
Nah, I always wore the fitteds too, but like I ain't never wore a cap.
Well, you know the reason is because you was where's it at right here? You was wearing New York. That's why.
I was in all them.
That was your biggest downfall right there. you wear Cincinnati.
You know, there's a mall in New York.
Yeah.
Long Island, Roosevelt Mall. That mall big as fuck.
We in the Natty though.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. it ain't Columbus though.
Don't say that too loud.
Yeah, I know. It don't matter.
Yeah.
You know what it do?
Yeah, it do.
Hell yeah.
How do you like your women? Birthday cake, cookies and cream, peanut butter cup, sea salt and caramel, chocolate sea salt. Oh,
I'm gonna say this, right?
Yeah, what's up?
Cookies and cream is cool.
Okay, which one's first? Cookie and cream is first?
Birthday cake is a celebration.
Okay.
Right, cookies and cream. I might have to go with birthday cake.
Birthday cake. Number one.
Cookies and cream is calm.
Okay.
Peanut butter is like, that's mid. Sweet caramel. Sea salt caramel is like the last resort.
What's up with the chocolate, man?
Chocolate, sea salt is like, I know it's sassy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You know what it is.
It may taste good, it may not, 50-50.
Exactly.
S'mores, you know, that's
the camp out joint. That's when you got
that's s'mores is like shit. That's a white. S'mores.
Yeah, hey, that's what the kids.
Yeah,
you
know
camping out. You just.
Look, man, I'll rock that right there. Shit.
Where the Tupac joint?
Yeah, I'll rock that.
I mean, I like the black
that one too.
Hold on, I like the Mambo, but like he not LeBron. All right, so now we talking. Now we got the CT4 V Blackwing Cadillac. Yeah, I like that. Even though I'm a Japanese guy, but yeah, the Cadillac's really killing it nowadays, for real.
Oh yeah, it's American, you know.
What'd you say, American Muscle? Is that what you said?
No, not American Muscle.
Oh, it is American Muscle. Well,
I mean,
it's luxury. It's luxury.
Yeah.
Look at the seats, the competition
yeah,
seats,
damn.
the Blackwing seats.
But come on, Japanese car got.
Oh, so now you're a Japanese guy.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Japanese.
Hey, what's good? What's good?
You know, Japanese. You know what I'm saying? Now I like the American Muscle, but Japanese, you know, they rely.
The American Muscle is fast. It's got torque, horsepower. We are in big V8s,
Yeah.
right? Even if a Viper, I love a Viper V10.
V10 Viper, yeah.
Yeah.
But
It don't have the finesse. It don't have the sophistication. The lyric is fire. Even though I don't like electric cars, but the lyric is fire. Well, here's one secret you don't know, Reiko. BYD and a lot of electric companies in China are selling electric cars for less, higher quality, and more of them. Sorry, Elon Musk.
this is Skyline Chili right here. Right, this is where it originated from, here in this city.
I don't know if you guys have this in your state, but this is an Ohio thing, comes from Cincinnati. They have the famous Cincinnati chili we're gonna try. And then they have the Cincinnati hot dog three-way that we're gonna try. Yeah, man, we're on UC campus. You can't get this unless you come to Ohio, man. Look at that sign, man. That sign look like heritage. That sign look like nostalgia.
If it was the original one.
Well, it's the second one. We made it. This is my dream. This is my lifelong dream to come to Skyline Chili in Cincinnati. You know Harold and Kumar, those the White Castles?
Yeah.
Well, I'm Harold, you're Kumar right now. So can we get like a small Cincinnati, like the chili?
Yeah.
And then the three-way?
Yeah, I'm fucking still
The lid, yeah?
Yeah, low key tips.
Small right?
Okay, thank you.
Now, how is this?
How'd this work out? Reiko, this is your first time Cincinnati chili three-way. How you feeling right now?
Drunk.
All right, besides that, yeah. Besides that.
Let me see what this is about.
All right, let's go, Ohio. Let's go, baby. Let me see this. Move your hand fast. Let me see it.
Hey, this shit fire.
You like it? Yeah. It's Ohio ting.
It's Ohio thing. Chili. So what they did was put all the cheese. You see what's going on. The cheese and the chili mixed together, and this shit is delicious. And this is my first time at Skyline Chili ever.
And having Cincinnati chili.
Cincinnati chili, and this is it's fire.
You like it?
I love like the mixture between the cheese and then the chili and the spaghetti. Never seen anything like that.
Well, yeah, of course you never seen anything like it. That's Cincinnati right there. All right, a little backstory. The original guy that created Skyline Chili's, he was of Greek descent, and he came to Cincinnati, and he started a restaurant. I don't really know 100% exactly what the history is, but he came to Cincinnati, he had a restaurant. I think he like had a special sauce that his mom had taught him. And then he started a restaurant called Skyline Chili's. The original one is in another part of Cincinnati. This is the second part. And yeah, he just kept going from there. And do we still have a Skyline Chili's in Columbus? I think we might have Skyline Chili's in Columbus. Yes.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we still have a Skyline in Columbus?
Yeah, one out east.
Oh, we have one out east?
Pickering.
Oh, okay, Pickerington. Yeah, so that's it, man. Then after he passed away, the Greek guy that started Skyline Chili's, he had sons. His sons took it over. I think they still own it. I really don't know for sure. But yeah. And what makes it actually a little bit different is that it's a little bit sweet. So they use like cloves and different ingredients in it that makes it different. So this is Cincinnati chili. This is what we call Cincinnati chili. This is what Ohio is known for. Well, one of the things Ohio is known for. Thank you so much.
Gotta have them Cincinnati oyster crackers. You gotta have them Cincinnati oyster crackers, man.
Oh, he wants to try it right now. Oh man, it's a new development. He's rushing me. Let's go. Okay. A lot of cheese.
Bear with
man.
me, guys.
Yeah, a lot of cheese. It's Ohio style. Let's go. Onions, mustard, and cheese.
One thing I'm gonna say again, it ain't Columbus.
Hey, it's the natty.
I taste the mustard.
You take the mustard, okay. What about the onions?
I don't think I taste the onions,
Okay.
but I taste the mustard. I'm gonna
the
say
cheese?
this with the cheese, and I'll say this is A1.
A1?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
like
What's the flavors you getting outside of cheese? Is it more tangy? Is it more?
Tangy, 'cause
it's
the
tangy?
mustard.
Yeah, because the mustard, right? Mustard is actually a really big thing in Ohio when it comes to hamburgers.
yes,
German influence, maybe Greek influence. I don't know, but the German influence for sure.
I've
Yeah.
noticed that.
Yeah. So would you suggest when people come to Cincinnati, Ohio, would you suggest them to come to Skyline Chili's?
Yes, Skyline Chili.
Yeah, this one for BC. You know BC?